Hello, my friends. I thought that while I'm home, I'd do a video of me unboxing one of my orders. It was here waiting for me when I got home. I cut the tape on it. Okay. So first of all, what did oh, my vision health with lutein. Because, yeah. Just got to keep my eyes. Shout out to my friend Kim in Ohio for turning me on to lutein. So Nutrilite lutein. I only ordered like 3 things. I got a refill on my Double X. So this is Nutrilite Double X, and it is the #1 supplement in the world. So I got a refill on that, and let me show you my beat up old container. So I think ideally, okay, so there's 3 different vitamins that come with this refill and this 3-compartment container for the Double X. And I think ideally, okay, 3 tablets twice a day, ideally. I don't do that. I should start doing it twice a day. But see, they all 3 come in these little vacuum packs, and I just add them to the right compartment. And that's my Double X. Okay. Boop. Third thing. What else is there? I'm going to be using that box later. Okay. I've got giveaway prizes to ship out. Okay, so artistry. So, not very long ago, I uploaded a video about my skincare challenge. I can't tell that anything has really changed. But some of you have been very complimentary, and I appreciate that. So what do we got here? These are my Artistry Hydra V products. So I've got, let's see. Oh, my glasses are steamed up here because I just got out of the shower. Okay, this is Fresh Foaming Cleanser, Fresh Toner, and the Nourishing Gel Cream. That's what I bought to take with me back out on the road, so that, because I'm about to run out of the ones that I had with me out on the road. So I just got out of the shower and I did it all. I did cleanse, tone, and moisturize. This thing is going away. I don't know that there's anything special going on here yet, but some of you have made some very nice compliments, and I appreciate that. So, yeah, the 3 products that I'm using on my face. So, I'll link that video in the description box. And there is my quick unboxing for my last order. I'm getting ready to place another order. We need more LOC. And I need more sample products to give out. I like to give out sample bags when I sit down and talk to people about what I do. So anyway, I love you guys. Bye.